A unique program helping women get into the skilled trade industries.
Yeah, Fresh Start Women's Foundation providing $5,000 scholarships to help them find success with jobs like AC repair. That's pretty much needed around here, isn't it? So Colton is live with how this is a real game changer for a lot of Valley women. Hey, Colton.
Hey, good morning, Scott and Olivia. And you guys said it. Here in the Valley, we know how hot it can get. So whenever our AC kind of just goes out, we call service people to come and fix it, right? And chances are, most of the time, they're guys. But there's a new movement here to make sure that women are getting a chance to do the same thing. So let's talk with Kim McWaters from Fresh Start. She's talking about the push to get more women in these trades jobs. Tell us how important that is and what's the program that's helping this happen.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. At Fresh Start Women's Foundation, we're thrilled to partner with Stratotech and RSI to give women access to education and careers in non-traditional roles, such as HVAC, welding, electrical, and we're out here spreading the word, so thank you for sharing about these opportunities.
How important is it to get this representation in these fields?
I think it's critical. Most women don't know about the opportunity. It's not something as society we promote. But we know that in order for women to attain self-sufficient wages, they need to have access to these non-traditional occupations. The money is good. The time it takes to train is relatively short, all things considered. And the jobs are incredible. And the customers like women in trades going into their home, working on their air conditioning units. So this movement is huge. We need more women in trades.
Absolutely. So let's speak with Sissie, who is the CEO of Chaz Roberts. Thanks so much for speaking with us. And you're making it your mission to bring more women onto the workforce, especially in this field.
Absolutely. I think we all know in the trades that women make great technicians and they make great explainers to the homeowners, right? They can empathize with, I mean, this heat, and empathize with the homeowner and what they're going through. And I mean, it makes them fascinating to work with, and it's just so exciting to have more women getting involved in the field, and which is traditionally just men.
Yeah. Any challenges with that you may have seen or have experienced?
No, I've only seen good things coming out from what we see in the women in the trades. So I'm excited to get as many as we can coming through. I think the challenge has been getting people interested in the trades, right? And I think a little is we, as women, they have lives at home, and that it's sometimes a little harder for them, you know, if there's a lot of overtime or something like that. But I mean, as business owners, that's our opportunity to make it better for them.
Absolutely. And I've got two future employees right here. They're currently in the class to learn about HVAC. This is Miranda. Thanks so much for speaking with us. Why did you decide to get into this field?
Well, personally, I like working with my hands, and I just think it's a great field to get in for women because it's a very male-dominated industry.
Yeah, and you're excited about the opportunities afterwards.
Yeah, absolutely. They help a lot here at RSI with job placement after graduation.
Awesome. Sounds great. Well, thanks so much, guys, for speaking with us. Yeah, guys, such a cool program out here. I have no skills myself, so I'm definitely going to be calling Miranda and all the people here to come help me out whenever I need some help. So we'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
Well, Colton, call Olivia, too. I just found out. I did not know this. She's an experienced welder. She welds on weekends.
Wow.
It's not true, but you never know. These young ladies are inspiring me.
I think it's really great. Thanks, Colton.